about the topic that is related to probability. Probability. A random experiment. If an experiment, when repeated under identical conditions, do not produce the same outcome every time, but the outcome in a trial is one of the several possible outcomes, then such an experiment is called random experiment or probabilistic experiment. If a dice is thrown several times, then its outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes. And this experiment is called as known as random experiment. Elementary event. If a random experiment is performed, then each of its outcomes is known as elementary event. Each of its outcomes. These are outcomes of experiment when a dice is thrown several times. In each of its outcomes, these are known as elementary event. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space associated with an event. A subset of the sample space associated with random experiment is called an event. The occurrence of an event associated with random experiment is said to occur if any one of the elementary events belongs to it as an outcome. Now, definition of favorable elementary event. Favorable elementary event. Let S be the sample space. Sample space associated with a random experiment. And A be an event associated with the experiment. Then elementary event belonging to A are known as favorable elementary event. Now the definition of a probability of an event. Probability of an event. If there are associated with a random experiment. And m of them are favorable to an event A. Then the probability of happening of A is defined by EA equals to M by E. If probability of an event equals to 1, then A is called certainty. And A is called impossible event if the probability of A equals to 0. So the definition, according to definition of probability, probability of A is number of favorable outcome by total number of outcomes. For make it more understandable, let's consider an example. Balls are distributed among 3 boxes. Find the probability that the first box will contain 3 balls. There are 3 balls, 12 balls. Sorry, there are 12 balls and 3 boxes. I give an example. Always keep it in your mind that how many ways 4 letters be posted in 3 letter boxes. There are 3 letter boxes. There are 4 letters. The first letter can be put in one of the 3 letter boxes in 3 ways. Second letter also you can put in 3 letter boxes in 3 ways. Third letter also, fourth letter also. Therefore, the number of ways 4 letter be posted in 3 letter boxes is 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 ways. Always keep in your mind this example. This is an example. Now, this problem is similar to this problem. There are 12 balls and 3 boxes. You can put first ball in 3 boxes, 12 balls. You can put first ball in 3 boxes in 3 ways. Second ball also in 3 ways. Third ball similarly 3 to the power 12. 12 balls can be put into 3 boxes in 3 to the power 12 ways. Now, out of 12 balls, we can choose 3 balls in 2C3 ways. 2C3 ways. Now, therefore the total outcome will see clearly. Now find the probability that the first box will contain 3 balls. Only in first box will contain 3 balls and rest of the boxes will contain 9 balls. Therefore, put these 3 balls in first box. Now the remaining 9 balls can be put in 2 boxes. Similarly, this case is similar to this case. So, first ball can be put in 2 boxes in 2 ways. Second ball also put in the 2 boxes in 2 ways. Then 9 balls can be put into the 2 boxes in the power 9 ways. So the total number of ways 3 fall. So the total number of ways in 3 balls can be put in first box and remaining 9 balls can be put in 2 boxes. This is one event. Here see 3 ways we can put 3 balls in the first box. 12C3. Putting this 12C3 ways, we can put the remaining 9 balls in 2 boxes into to the power 9 ways. Therefore, favorable outcome is 12C3 into 2 to the power 9. These 2 events are interrelated, not independent, interrelated. So, here comes a multiplication sign. And the total number of outcome is 3 to the power 12 ways. We can put 12 balls in 3 boxes. Therefore, total outcome is 3 to the power 12 ways. 3 to the power 12 ways. Now, according to the definition of probability, favorable probability of an event equals to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. The favorable outcomes are 12C3 into 2 to the power 9 and total outcome is 3 to the power 2. contact my family and if possible